Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Share Knowledge video tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you how to clear the Windows Defender protection history manually or automatically in Windows 10 or 11. Windows Defender is Microsoft's antivirus built into your Windows PC to protect you from viruses and malware threats attacks. It maintains a record of its scans and actions in its protection history folder. However, sometimes if you want to cleaning them, here you have 4 ways to clear the Windows Defender protection history manually or automatically. You can use one of these 4 methods. That is what we are going to do. So watch the video and subscribe to the channel. Okay, let's start. Method number 1. Clear the Windows Defender scan history by deleting the contents of the service folder from the local drive. The Run dialog box by pressing Windows logo key plus R. In the Run dialog box field, type this path: C column /ProgramData /Microsoft /Windows Defender /scans /history /service and hit enter. It will open Windows Defender scan history service folder. Then select all the files under service folder and then from the toolbar select delete to clear all the file. Once done, open the search box by pressing Windows logo key plus Q. Then type Windows Security in the search field. Then in the search result you will see Windows Security application. Click on it. It will open Windows Security page. On the Windows Security page, select Virus and Threat Protection. Under Virus and Threat Protection, click on Protection History link. Then you will see Defender protection history has been cleared. That's all. Method number 2. Clear the Windows Defender protection history via Event Viewer. Open the search box by pressing Windows logo key plus Q. In the search field, type Event Viewer. Then under relevant search results, select Event Viewer Run as Administrator. It will open Event Viewer applications. Under the Event Viewer, on the left pane, expand the Applications and Services logs. Under Applications and Services logs, expand the Microsoft folder. Under Microsoft folder, expand the Windows folder. Under Windows folder, scroll down the list until you find either Windows Defender folder and then expand it. Next, under Windows Defender folder, select Operational. Then you will see all the past logs appear on the middle pane. Now you can right click on Operational in the left pane and choose Clear Log, or click on Clear Log on the right pane under Actions. You can see here. Then you will see this kind of optional window. Select Clear to clear the protection history. If you wish to save the protection history logs for future reference before cleaning them, select Save and Clear. Then you will see the window to save as log files before cleaning. Now select a folder and then given the file name as you wish and click on Save. After for a while, here you will see the Defender operational log files has been cleared and saved on the folder. Once done, open the folder that saved logs file and then click on it. It will open Event Viewer. Then you will see your file name and operational log files under saved logs folder. Here on the middle pane, you will see all the protection history log files. If you want to delete them, you can do it. That's it. Close the Event Viewer. Once done, check out your Defender protection history has been cleared or not. Open the search box by pressing Windows logo key plus Q. Then type Windows Security in the search field. Then in the search result, you will see Windows Security application. Click on it. It will open Windows Security page. On the Windows Security page, select Virus and Threat Protection. Under Virus and Threat Protection, click on Protection History link. Then you will see Defender protection history has been cleared. That's all. Method number 3. Clear the Windows Defender protection history via scheduled day using PowerShell. Let's see how to set scheduled days. Open the search box by pressing Windows logo key plus Q. Then type PowerShell in the search field. And then under relevant search results, select PowerShell Run as Administrator. Click Yes on the User Account Control prompt. It will open PowerShell window. Then type or copy and paste the following command: Set-MpPreference /ScanPurgeItemsAfterDelay 14. You have this command in the description box below. copy and paste and hit enter. This command, each word starting capital letters, make sure that, and then hit enter. The number 14 at the end of the commands is the number of days after which the protection history logs will be cleared. Just change that number to specify when you want the protection history to be cleared, then it will be cleared automatically that day. That's it. Method number 4. Clear the Microsoft Windows Defender protection history via scheduled days using Group Policy Editor. Let's see how to set scheduled day via Group Policy Editor. Open the Run dialog box by pressing Windows logo key plus R. In the Run dialog box, we'll type gpedit.msc and then hit enter to open the local Group Policy Editor. In the local Group Policy Editor, on the left pane under Computer Configuration folder, expand Administrative Templates by clicking on the arrow key. Then expand Windows Components folder. Under Windows Components folder, scroll down the list until you find either Microsoft Defender Antivirus folder and then expand it. Under Microsoft Defender Antivirus folder, select the Scan folder, then go to right pane. In the right pane, under Settings, find the file Turn on Removal of Items from Scan History folder and then double click on it. Then you will see this kind of window. It would be showing not configured by default. To set the number of days, select the button to enabled. Then you will see the default number of scheduled days, which is 30. If you set the number of days to 0, items will be kept forever and will not be automatically removed. So just change the days to whenever you want the items to be removed, as a wish. Finally, click apply and then click on OK. Now you don't need to manually clear the protection history every time. The items in the scan history folder would be deleted automatically after the days you have specified. I hope this video helps you. Thanks for watching and supporting. Please don't forget to hit like and subscribe. Your contribution is not confidence to us. If you have any issues, so please let me know in the comment section below. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel for more useful videos. Once again, thanks for watching and supporting. See you in next video. Bye. Take care.